I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings from the home screen. Press the remote home button and move right. Once there, select accessibility or subtitles and captioning to reach caption controls. This is where Fire TV centralizes text options. Make sure you're signed into the profile that shows captions because settings can be profile specific. If you're in an app like Prime Video, also check the app subtitle menu. Once done, you're ready to change the caption state. Now navigate to the captions or closed captions entry and open it. You'll see a toggle or selector. You should toggle captions to off, then back out to apply. Some systems require you to hit select or OK to confirm. If captions persist, open the video app's on-screen subtitle menu and turn subtitles off there, because app settings can override system defaults. Make sure to exit menus and play a video to verify that captions no longer appear. Finish by testing. Play content across apps to verify captions are off everywhere. If captions still appear, restart the Fire TV, power cycle the TV, or use Restart in Settings, because temporary glitches can keep captions stuck on. If restarting doesn't help, return to accessibility and reset caption preferences or switch profiles and back. This clears custom styles that sometimes force captions. One quick tip: check the streaming app subtitle menu last, because it often independently controls captions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.